What's up, y'all? Today I wanted to talk a little bit about liquidity, as it's something that has affected me in this past week. So personally, I'm shifting focus from dividends to growth stocks. I'll make a video about that later, but I'm in the process of selling my dividend ETFs and stocks and stuff. So I had a limit sell for SCHD at $27. I placed the order on June 16th. I checked it today on Monday, and it is partially filled on June 19th at 8 p.m. Only 50 out of the 134 shares were sold. This could happen because the price didn't stay above $27 for long enough. It could happen because not enough people were willing to purchase those shares from me at that price. Most likely a little bit of both. So I tried to check the price, and Robinhood was not showing the chart at 8 p.m. So I wasn't able to see if it actually hit $27, but I don't think it did because it was hovering around $26.60. So my theory is that someone placed a limit buy for 50 shares at 27 flat, and it instantly got filled because I placed a limit sell 3 days earlier. So it's not the biggest issue in the world. It's SCHD. You know, I just give it a few days, a couple weeks, and it'll go back to 27, and I can get rid of it. But for something like meme stocks or options, penny stocks, this happens a lot more frequently. So for example, let's say you buy a meme coin or a penny stock, and it turns your $1,000 investment into $10,000. Someone has to be on that other end, ready to pay that inflated price for that coin or that stock that you just came up on. If no one's willing to buy it, then you're stuck with those shares. In my case, someone only bought 50 shares, so I'm still stuck with 84 shares that I don't want. Now I gotta wait for the price to go up or get lucky again. I'm not even sure how this order got partially filled, but that's why I wanted to make this video. Like, just to make things clear, the brokerage does not buy and sell you these stocks. They are a middleman. The brokerage is just facilitating the sale. So think of it like this. Your homie needs some ish. You know a guy with some ish, so you help him get it. You feel me? That is what Robinhood does. They are just a platform to help you find somebody to buy your shit or sell your shit. So how do you avoid problems like this? Well, we can check the ask and the bid price and see what the spread is. If there's a really high spread, let's say it's like a dollar ask bid spread, that's pretty high for just a stock or something, so it's probably not as liquid. If it's you know, like a couple cents, like usually SPY will trade with a spread of like 5 cents, so that means it's super liquid. It's constantly being traded all day, all night type of shit. In options, at least in Robinhood, you're able to see how many people are making those buys and sells at those prices. So if you open up the option chain, you click a target price, you can see it'll be like 56 ask and 65 bid or whatever. You can see if there's enough people buying and selling, then it's worth your time. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just wanted to, quick clear things up. because kind of didn't really affect me too much, but it kind of pissed me off when I woke up today, you know what I mean? But, you know, always do your research, do your due diligence, because I ain't no financial advisor. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you, guys.